I need a fucking corn dog. Today we've got something called Libratone AIR Plus, second generation premium, obviously fully wireless earbuds, active noise canceling built in, maximum 30 dB of noise canceling performance. They of course also have pass-through audio, or what some brands call transparency mode, which I'm a big fan of. Long battery life, 6 hours on a charge, 24 hours in the case. And wireless charging, which I hope we can test out. There's another cool thing I saw with these earbuds is the way that they integrated the LED around the charge port. So when you stick it on the charger, you see immediately whether it's charging or not. It's not like a tiny little dot like some other products that are out there. It's like an actual ring around the port. And their whole thing is like this kind of elegant design. The little bird there, I think it's a canary. But it's a singing bird. They're earbuds, and so there's music. This is an interesting package. Here we go. All right, so we have the black version, which is kind of nice because, as you know, not all competitors offer a black version of full wireless earbuds. This little case is very simple and nice, reminiscent of some other very popular earbuds, and that's fine. Now, one difference you're gonna notice right away is the way that this hinge works. So when I lift this up, it creates a really big opening to go in and grab each of the two earbuds, which happen to be labeled left and right. We have a button on the back, and then this is the port that I was referencing. So it's USB Type-C to recharge it. Ooh, look at the packaging, all very elegant. This is a simple USB-C to Type-A cable. And then you have some alternative ear tips. I believe the medium is installed. We also have large and small ear tips when it comes to noise canceling. Getting the optimal ear tip is key. To the seat. To the seat we go. Follow me over here, if you don't mind. Welcome to the app, okay. We've downloaded. Add your products, create your own musical spaces here. I would like to add a new product. This is the AIR Plus 2nd Gen right here. AIR Plus, we pair it up. Now these have the latest Qualcomm chip in there. So they actually pair very quickly and have low latency, making them a good choice, not just for music, but also for other forms of media. Your video games and your movies. You don't want to see that lag. You need that instant feedback. We talk about ear tip selection, gesture control, so you can tap, obviously, touch inputs on the sides. There we go. The noise canceling appears to be on by default. We're currently in comfort mode and high noise environment. I'm gonna switch to transparency mode. Ooh.
Hello.
Yes, I hear it's quite transparent. Or Mo. Or Mo's dog. Wow, you really got to him. What did you do to him? What did you do to that poor animal? Normally he would respond to my calls. Yeah, so transparency mode works. By default, it seems to jump to comfort mode, which I think is how most people are gonna listen. And then what is this third setting? Adjustable mode. You set your own amount of noise canceling via this dial. You wanna hear more, you go to this side. You wanna hear less, here we go. This is maximum noise canceling. Ooh, look at that. A lot of configuration for the tap inputs on the side for play, pause, mode switching, etc. Ear tip fit test. It's gonna tell me if I have the optimal fit, I suppose. We're doing an ear tip fit test right now. Oh, it's playing music. I'm gonna shut up. And it loves the seal. The ear tips you're using are good fit. Yeah, medium fit, it's pretty typical for me. So the voicing, automatically tune the sound according to the wearing status and experience consistent and outstanding sound effects. So there's a few different settings here for performance. This auto setting called Smart, neutral, a basic neutral setting, extra bass, that's pretty self-explanatory, and enhanced treble. So those are your selections. The recommendation here is Smart. I suppose we would do what we would do and listen to some music. Instant pause, play. got some punch to it, no doubt. I do want to boost up some Audible real quick. I listen to audiobooks. I actually like the enhanced treble mode for audiobooks. Probably podcasts too. I think I will go with actually enhanced treble. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the wireless charging now. So as far as the charge case is concerned, these fit in the front, which is a little bit unusual. Like sometimes they drop in, as you've seen before. These ones slap on like that, so you see the whole shape when they're actually embedded in there. All right, so we have a little wireless charger right here. This one actually has MagSafe in it. Of course, you wouldn't have to have that, but we were curious how that was gonna work. And then this is the cable they included, which I just noticed is kind of like the optimal length for a small item like this. We can showcase this first. So just plug it into the bottom, and then you see the LED that lights up around it. Now it's white right now, so it's not super exciting, but if this was more dead, then you would have those other colors pop up. But that's not as cool as charging wirelessly, and as mentioned, this is magnetic, and what you'll see then is the LED light pop up on the bottom as opposed to some kind of tiny dot like you have on certain other earbuds. Charging indication. When charging, the light around the charging port is solid on. When fully charged, the light turns off automatically. All right, so that's how it works. So you can see it's solid on. That light will go off completely when it hits the full mark, but it also acts as an indicator when you're not charging and you just want to check the battery life. You will click the bottom. So this is gonna blink either red, one-time white, double blink white, or triple blink white to tell you the battery life of the case, from high all the way down to emergency, please charge me, which would be red. All right, so there it is. That is the latest premium wireless earbud, the Libratone AIR Plus, 2nd generation, with smart noise canceling and a transparency mode. And there is a deal for Unbox Therapy viewers as usual, so check the description for all those details.